What's at stake? The opportunity to face the champion at the biggest event in the industry. WrestleMania 14, the biggest event of all time.
Right, and that rug has been yanked right out from under Stone Cold Steve Austin. We haven't seen him yet because he's been taken out. I just know it.
Well, if that's the truth, it's going to be a heartbreaker for the old rattlesnake.
What?
That's Austin's music. It's Stone Cold. Stone Cold is here.
How? How did Austin make it?
Austin said, no more Mr. Nice Guy, as if he ever was one.
Well, there's no way Stone Cold's going to get through the rest of the competitors in the Royal Rumble. And he's still in this. That suplex was picture perfect. Oh my gosh, what a slam.
And the disturbing spinning neck breaker.
Narrowly avoiding the attack. A spectacular counter by Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Who's next?
The two lock up, jockeying for position.
Road Dogg looks relaxed. You'd have no idea he was about to start a fight. Look out! Austin's got it!
Collar, he's got the momentum. A shot to the gut.
Ow! Talk about meeting of the minds. Stone Cold turns things around. What's Mark Henry gonna do? Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. What a body shot. Ouch! Oh my gosh! Ouch! That's gotta hurt.
A kick. The two tie up, testing their strength. And he strikes with a quick kick. Road Dogg reverses it.
Great reversal by Steve Austin.
Straight kick. Knee lift. Got him. He's still in this one. Gets out of the way of that attack. Look at the intensity as they lock up. And it appears Shamrock just couldn't make it happen tonight.
Austin! No! What a stunner! Oh no! That cut is just pouring now. And did you hear the impact on that kick?
And again, the feet wide. And another kick.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
Swift kick.
These matches are so dangerous. You never know when or where you're going to get attacked from. What an impact from that.
Oh, he's coming back in.
A quick punch to the gut.
And his attack misses.
He might have dodged his last bullet. Focusing that attack on the leg area. Oh, there goes Henry.
The two competitors lock up.
He's hanging on again here. Uh-oh, the Rock.
The Rattlesnake seizes the opportunity. The 27th as press. Look at Austin go.
Bradshaw looking to dish out some pain here.
He's off to a strong start in the Rumble with 3 eliminations.
Oh, that's it for Cactus Jack.
And he unloads with everything he's got.
Uh-oh, he's getting worked over there in the corner. Austin's in a...
And folks, that is it for Bradshaw.
Who's coming next. Oh, Farouk is looking especially mean tonight, and that's saying something.
What a punch!
Missed him. Look out! Oh, sent line. I've seen this, but Stone Cold's hanging in this match, but there's no way he's going to win. Everybody in this match wants Austin out.
They might want him out, but wanting and doing are two different things.
Oh, things are about to get mean now that Helmsley is in there. That hand had a lot of force behind it. Ow! Hard kick to the ribs.
They dodged that one.
What a series! Nobody's backing down here. Look at this! Big bulldog! Oh, what a painful kick!
Stone Cold reversed it. He was in a must-counter situation, and he did it.
He's almost out right here.
And there goes Hunter Hearst Helmsley.
Good luck, ready to go. Stone Cold looks like he's starting to get fired up.
A stiff, and I mean stiff, shot there.
Great move there to take the steam out of Duke. Hey, he's going for it again.
Oh, my God. He just smashed it.
And did you hear the impact on that kick? Oh, dude's in trouble. Look out. Oh, sent line.